Hello, in this video we're gonna perform a quick Wi-Fi speed test on Samsung Galaxy S25. I have performed a similar speed test on my PC just to compare the results and how much different they are. So let's get right into it. On PC, the download speed that I managed to get was 860 megabits per second, whereas the upload was 86 megabits per second, and the ping was 21 milliseconds. Now, like I said, I am using the same connection. The only difference is that the connection on the computer is by using the Ethernet cable. And here we have the results on the phone. So, as you can see in the top left corner, we have 218 megabits per second of download, and the upload is 85.5. So the download is actually much smaller compared to the results on PC. However, this is Wi-Fi, so perhaps this is the reason why it is that slower, but the difference is quite huge. And the upload seems to be pretty much the same. So on PC it was 86, here it is 85.5 megabits per second, so it's pretty much identical. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.